Hello. Welcome to your capstone course, Nursing 499, Leadership and Management in Healthcare. I am Dr. Bernadette Amicucci, and I will be your instructor this semester. I have been teaching Nursing 499 for quite a few semesters now, and I am hoping that you enjoy it as much as I do. Let me tell you a little about myself to get us started. I have been a nurse for my entire adult life, and I have practiced in a variety of settings. I started out in acute care and stepped down in ICU. I worked as a public health nurse, a school nurse, and full-time as faculty in associate degree and baccalaureate programs. I became an FNP and practiced in that role in a jail. For the past 2.5 years, I have been the Director of Clinical Education for a magnet-recognized hospital and also continue as an FNP in occupational health to help out as needed. I am committed to lifelong learning and encourage you all to continue in your education. I first earned an RN diploma, then a BSN, and after a few years I returned to school and earned my master's in nursing as a clinical nurse specialist. I then went on to get a postmaster's certificate in nursing education, a doctor of nursing science, and a postmaster's FNP. I am now in school again, earning an MBA in healthcare. So when I say I'm committed to learning, I really do mean it. On a personal note, I am married, I have 3 grown children, and my favorite role right now is to be grandmother to my 2 beautiful granddaughters, and I'm going to be having 2 more later on this year. I love to exercise, and I do it as often and as much as possible. Now, back to Nursing 499. There is a lot of work required for this course. However, all of it is meaningful and will contribute to your development as a leader in nursing. That's really important to remember as you go through. Let me give you some of the details about the course. As you know, 499 is a 5-credit course that includes 90 clinical hours. Nursing 499 will provide you with the knowledge about leadership and management while giving you an opportunity for experiential learning in your clinical setting. You will be able to integrate your knowledge and experience with health assessment, teaching and learning, community and global health, nursing informatics, nursing research, and leadership and management to design, implement, and lead a team project that will ultimately serve to improve patient and community outcomes in your clinical setting. I advise you to review the course site, including the syllabus, the assignment folders, all of the weekly folders, so you have a better idea of what is required throughout the semester. By now, you should have been approved for both your clinical site and your preceptor. If you are having any difficulties with this, please contact me to help find a solution. The topic and purpose of your capstone project will be based both on your learning needs and interests and the needs of the clinical site, so collaboration with both myself and your preceptor will be required for approval. As you work on the capstone, you will be collaborating with the interdisciplinary team as it pertains to your clinical site and your project. Just like your other classes at SPS, discussion board activities are required. In all online programs, discussion board postings demonstrate your active engagement with the course and with your classmates. In addition to the discussion board posts, you will be participating in capstone blog assignments to document your progress on your project development and the clinical hours completed. Both myself and your classmates then are going to have a better idea of where you stand as you go through the semester. The signature assignments for this course are your safety assignment and your capstone proposal, and details about both of them can be located in the Blackboard site. Since the completion of clinical hours is required for this course, it is important that you plan and schedule a realistic and attainable plan for yourself. Review your work schedule and your other commitments to identify days and times that are also acceptable to your preceptor. My goal is for you to achieve success and really gain something from this course, rather than just completing the assignments. Please, please contact me by email, text, or phone if you have questions or concerns as we move throughout the semester. I am always available. I am looking forward to a great semester working with you in Nursing 499.